Welcome to Wizard Media. Brice Mjabe is my name. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to close any malfunctioning program on PC, whether it is delaying and showing not responding or an error has occurred. Most of the times we encounter situations where programs malfunction and they delay in closing, either showing not responding or an error has occurred. If you encounter a situation like this, locate Task Manager and you'll be able to quickly close down the malfunctioning program without wasting much time. Let's now bring up a program and assume that it has malfunctioned and then learn how to close it down using Task Manager. If you want to close any program using Task Manager, locate your mouse pointer and then drag it down to your Windows taskbar. It should be at the bottom of your screen by default. Now point your mouse on it and then right click. When you do so, you should have a list, and among this list there should be Task Manager. Locate it and then click on it. Once you click on it, a small window will pop up. This window is what is known as Task Manager, and it shows the list of all the active programs on your PC. In my own case, I have two active programs, CorelDRAW and FL Studio. Now let us end this FL Studio using Task Manager. How do we do it? Take your mouse pointer to FL Studio and then left click the FL Studio on the Task Manager, then left click. Once you left click, it will highlight the program. Now once the program is highlighted, an End Task button will show beneath the Task Manager's window. Click on it and automatically the selected program will be closed or exited. Let's repeat the process. This time around I will bring up CorelDRAW. Now how do we close this CorelDRAW with Task Manager? We'll take our mouse down to taskbar and then we'll right click, and then we'll take our mouse and select Task Manager on the options, and then we'll click on Task Manager. Then Task Manager will open. We'll now go to the program that we wish to exit on Task Manager. Now if you want, we'll left click it and it will highlight, and once it highlights, an End Task button will show beneath. If you don't want to use that one, you can right click instead and you have options. The first of these options will be switched to, and the second will be End Task. Click on End Task and it will close the program. Sometimes malfunctioning programs might be persistent and you need to do this process twice before they will close. And please, I want to bring to your notice that our former channel Wizard TV is having issues, so we are now currently on Wizard Media. Anything you need, please, you will request here and it will be made available to you. And lest I forget, this process works on all the Windows, whether Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8 or even XP. It doesn't matter. Now please guys, do remember to subscribe, to click the subscribe button on your screen, and then also click the notification button in form of a bell so that you'll be notified anytime we come up with new stuff or new tutorials for you. And do remember to like the video, and do also remember to follow us on all the social media on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and the rest. Thank you. See you guys later. Wizard Media, everything for everybody.